My name's Mary Ann, and I had a total right hip replacement done by Dr. Frisch, who, as far as I'm concerned, has made me alive again. I have been in so much pain for so many years that my life was not anything. Now I get up, I think about trips, which I haven't taken in a long time, and I'm excited to go on. I have, from the pain that I had to what I have now, is zero. No pain. I have some muscle soreness after exercise and whatever, but I don't have the pain in my knees, the pain in my hip, and I'm able to walk again, to join my husband in a walk around the neighborhood, which I could not do before. I feel I made a good choice in Dr. Frisch. I'm happy I waited this long only because I found the right surgeon. That's all I have to say. I'm happy now. Tired. I'm getting over the tiredness, but I'm happy. Very happy.